10 evidence-based health benefits of coconut oil. 1. May encourage fat burning. Coconut oil is a rich source of medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, a type of saturated fat. In general, saturated fats are divided into 3 subgroups, each of which has different effects in your body. Researchers have found that consuming a type of saturated fat in coconut oil, called MCTs, may increase the number of calories you burn. 2. May work as a quick source of energy. Coconut oil is high in MCTs. MCTs provide a rapid energy source that your body can absorb and use faster than other types of saturated fat. 3. May have antimicrobial effects. Coconut oil has antimicrobial and antifungal properties. Lauric acid in coconut oil may act as a bacteriostatic agent that prevents bacteria from multiplying without killing the bacteria. 4. May help lessen hunger. One interesting feature of MCTs is that they may increase feelings of fullness, satiety, and help reduce food intake. MCTs may help reduce food intake by decreasing hunger. 5. May help reduce seizures. MCTs in coconut oil can increase blood ketone concentrations, which may help reduce seizure frequency. 6. May boost skin health. Coconut oil has many uses that have little to do with eating. Many people use it for cosmetic purposes to improve the health and appearance of their skin. Coconut oil can boost the moisture content of dry skin. It may also improve the function of the skin, helping prevent excessive water loss and protecting you from external factors, such as infectious agents, chemicals, and allergens. Applying 6 to 8 drops of virgin coconut oil on your hands and leaving it overnight may be an effective way to prevent dry skin caused by frequent use of alcohol-based hand sanitizers. It may also reduce the severity of mild to moderate symptoms of atopic dermatitis, a chronic skin disease characterized by skin inflammation and defects in skin barrier function. Coconut oil may help moisturize skin. 7. May protect your hair. Coconut oil can also protect against hair damage. Since coconut oil deeply penetrates hair strands, it makes them more flexible and increases their strength to prevent them from breaking under tension. Coconut oil nourishes hair strands and reduces breakage, which further strengthens the hair. Coconut oil may help strengthen your hair by increasing flexibility and reducing the breakage of hair strands. 8. May improve oral health. Using coconut oil as a mouthwash, a process called oil pulling, benefits oral hygiene in a cost-effective way. Oil pulling involves swishing coconut oil in your mouth like mouthwash. It may significantly reduce the count of harmful bacteria in the mouth, compared with a regular mouthwash. This is thought to be due to the antibacterial properties of lauric acid. Additionally, lauric acid in coconut oil reacts with saliva to form a soap-like substance that prevents cavities and helps reduce dental plaque buildup and gum inflammation. Coconut oil may be a cost-effective way to improve oral health due to its lauric acid content. 9. May help reduce symptoms of Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease is the most common cause of dementia. This condition reduces your brain's ability to use glucose for energy. Ketones can offset early signs of mild to moderate Alzheimer's disease by providing an alternative energy source for brain cells. For this reason, individual foods like coconut oil have been investigated for their potential role in managing Alzheimer's disease. Since coconut oil is rich in MCTs, which significantly increase blood levels of ketones, it may potentially help with symptoms of Alzheimer's disease. 10. A good antioxidant source. Coconut oil is a good source of antioxidants, which help neutralize damaging molecules called free radicals. This, in turn, helps reduce the risk of several chronic and degenerative diseases. Some of the main types of antioxidants in the oil are tocopherols, tocotrienols, phytosterols, flavonoids, polyphenol, Antioxidants in coconut oil confer it with potential anti-inflammatory and brain protective effects. Coconut oil is a good source of antioxidants, which provide anti-inflammatory, anti-diabetic, and brain protective effects.